Let's elevate your audio game by transforming jarring volume changes into seamless, professional sound transitions within Adobe Premiere Pro. First, locate the audio clip on your timeline that you want to adjust. You'll see its audio waveform. We'll be using keyframes to control the volume. To access the volume control, select your audio clip, then navigate to the Effect Controls panel, or directly access the volume line on the clip itself by right-clicking and selecting Show Clip Keyframes and then Volume. This thin line represents your clip's current volume. To start fading in, we need to create our first keyframe. Move the playhead to the beginning of the section where you want the audio to start increasing. Now, click on the stopwatch next to the volume property to add your first keyframe. This sets the starting volume for your fade for a fade-in. Keep this volume low if you want to start at silence. Drag this initial keyframe all the way down. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want the audio to reach its full or desired volume. Click the Add Remove Keyframe button again, or simply press Ctrl-click Windows or Command-click Mac on the volume line to add a new keyframe. Now, with this second keyframe selected, drag this keyframe upwards to the desired volume level. Notice how Premiere Pro automatically creates a smooth transition, or fade, between the two keyframes, indicated by the angled line. To decrease audio, or fade out, the process is reverse. Position your playhead where you want the fade out to begin and add a keyframe at the current volume level. Then, move the playhead to where you want the audio to end, add another keyframe, and drag this final keyframe down to silence or your desired lower volume. By strategically placing these keyframes, you can create precise and professional sound volume changes, making your audio mix incredibly polished. Experiment with the distance between keyframes and their placement to achieve the exact sonic effect you're looking for. This simple technique makes a massive difference in the overall quality of your video's audio.